today. Volkswagen Passat 1.9 diesel engine. It has flashy lights, dashboard, the engine light and the glow plug light is flashing. The car is in limp mode. This is the trouble code what we have over here. And I'm going to replace this sensor. I deleted the code before, it came back immediately, so this definitely tells me that this sensor is bad and it doesn't need any deeper diagnosis. The brand new sensor is down somewhere there. I'm going to replace it, but right now I'm going to delete this code, so I'm going to replace the sensor itself, and then let's see, we'll start the car and see if it does this, fix this issue. The sensor which we are looking for, the code for it, in case you need it, sensor sits right over here. So disconnect this plug. You need a normal screwdriver, 2 screws, and that's it. Remove this plug, 4-pin. And bear in mind, in some cases, if this fault comes on every now and then you may have problem with the grounding wires. Since this light just randomly popped up, never before it happened, then I don't think there is any problems with the wires. As well, I took this older sensor apart yesterday before I went to order the new one, just in case there are PCV valve failure, then there would be this oil residue top of this nozzle. As you can see, this is super clean, nothing top of it. If there is an oil coating, then you have PCV valve failing, and then you just clean it and it should work. But in this case, with this particular car, it's not. The problem is just it's on the side. So we will see. The new one looks similar. So let's place it in and see, do we have this issue fixed or not. So, moment of truth. Just started the car up and no flashy light anymore. Now I'm taking this car to test drive to see will it pop up the limp mode again. And that's simply that repair were just one small sensor cuts out the half car. Yes, you can drive if it's flashing, but it has absolutely no power. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that video was somewhat informative. Be sure to check this old sensor before replacing with the new one. If there is a oil coating, like I talked about before, then the PCV valve probably is malfunctioning or just full of crap, and nothing else.